Hello everyone, welcome to this 55th tutorial number 55. So in this tutorial we talking about the next command, that is user defined pattern. This one, in previous tutorial we talking about this array and circular pattern and rectangular pattern. So going to this plane and go to the sketch. We made the rectangle over it and go to the circle and made a circle and trim it here. Go to the trim and trim it and select this one and control this one and go to this tangency. This is a close profile here. Go to the exit and extrude it or pad it. Okay, so this is our object. Select the front plane, go to the sketch and double click on this point and make it the point. This is the pattern of user defined pattern, or this is the user defined pattern. Okay, so go to the exit and go to the hole. Go to the hole command, this one, and select this surface. We positioning the sketch, select there and this point and this point. We have two coincidence here. Okay, and exit. So here the whole position. So make it up to next. Make it 7 mm radius, diameter. Oh sorry, here diameter is given, so making diameter of 7 and go to preview. Okay, so this is our hole. So double click on them, or no, go to exit and select this hole, or go to this tree and select this hole. This is selected is very important. Before going to this array pattern, user defined pattern, you have to select this hole by clicking here or clicking here hole also. So select this hole and go to the user defined pattern. So positioning, so select these positions and go to preview and okay. This is the user defined pattern. So I hope this video is useful for you. And next is the scaling. This is scaling. This is a very important part of this video, and we start to the scaling. So select the scaling and select the XY plane, means the scaling is with the reference to the XY plane. See, here is the orange color is indicated by this plane. So this is the ratio of 2, means the double the size of this object in the direction of the XY plane. So go to the scaling, select the YZ plane, means this plane. See, there is the thickness is increased by XY plane, and the ZX plane we made it. So go to the ZX plane and okay, this is the nothing but the double the ratio or double the size of this object. So this is the scaling purpose or scaling scaling command use. So thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope this video is useful for you. See you in the next tutorial.